Come back to my channel. It's me again, or even my name, I don't know. Been a massive break. I had to make a video today because all these things I've seen on TikTok, people eating with, they eat really nice things on TikTok, you know, and I wanted to try how to eat with chopsticks. Oh my god, never had them. Well, to be fair, I've tried, but it didn't work, so we're gonna learn today how to use chopsticks. I've got some sushi, I've got some noodles. Anyway, at the end of the video, if I'm not professional at eating with chopsticks, I'll be scarred for life. I'll be traumatized. So I received this lovely PR package, obviously from chopsticks. Wow, look how cute these are. I can't cope, so never opened them before. Can you reuse this? Can you use them again? Do they come with instructions? Oh? No, well, we'll have to Google how to use them. Well, to be fair, shouldn't be that hard. Looks easy, I guess. Was it? Well, we'll see. I'm leaving this look. This is my Cleopatra wig, you know. Queen has arrived. Oh my god, how cute! Look how cute these are. I'm just, ow. This is going well. Okay, let me unpack my things. I'm not doing sponsoring, you know. I'm not made with sushi because I'm not that talented. I received this sushi PR as well. Oh, this looks good. I love ginger. I open that as well. Oh, it's dripping. Oh yeah. Oh! And as we have this little cute thing, more of a soy sauce, but this is not enough, so I got extra, you know, because you need, yogurt has to be extra, and I like wet things. No, I like to dip. In and out, in and out. Oh, how do you open these? Oh, girl. So look at my cute bowl. This is just so cute. Did I know? You try with noodles? I don't know what to do. So, how do you hold these? I don't know how people use it. Like that, innit? Something. How do we... Well, I need to close it somehow. This is gonna be ridiculous, I can't cope. So, we grab. But it doesn't go down. Oh my god. Ah! This is so funny. Let's be serious now. So look, I can grab it like that. No, it doesn't. Uh oh. Oh my god, look at that. I'm so good at this, guys. Let's get some more. What am I even doing? My fingers are not working with this. Oh wait, but they cross. It doesn't. Like I can look. I can do that. My lipstick is gonna come off, but I'm waiting my hair. Should we Google? I think we're gonna Google sticks. Oh, should we watch a video now? Oh, then, okay.
Let's straight.
Straight?
You want to create sort of a fulcrum or a seesaw effect underneath your thumb. Against the side.
Base of the thumb.
Finger at your nail. Lay your thumb over it.
Like that.
Then take your top chopstick, put it back in place again.
Oh, that's the wrong finger.
Press the second finger at the end there. And then pad on the thumb. Pressing on the chopstick.
Excuse me, wait. You, I had to
close
click.
the chopstick.
Oh my god. So, apparently we have to hold it like that. And then that goes on here. Surely not. Oh, maybe. Guys, I think we solved the mystery.
You just do the movement that we learned with the first and second finger.
What's the first and second finger?
And that is
No, but I'm
the
missing something here.
chopsticks.
Oh, yeah, I have to hold it. But this one doesn't stay.
Now remember to keep your thumb completely straight, so your thumb is straight.
We're not straight in here.
So keep
Stop
the
it.
pressure. So if you
So
throw
what?
it, and this bottom chopstick's coming loose, but you can't meet because
No, I can't meet.
you're just not holding this chopstick in place.
Excuse me.
You're still bending your thumb. As soon as you bend your thumb,
So how do I not bend my thumb?
you start to lose pressure against this
No, but that's
chopstick.
not holding it.
You're not holding it with a lot of pressure anyway, so if you just lift it up, you're just losing pressure. It's just.
I think someone is checking shit here. Wait. What? No coal. I don't have no coals. Okay. Is that holding it? No. I mean, I'm kind of. Is that holding it? Am I holding it? Am I? Look at that. Oh. Oh. What? You see nothing. So he said we need to hold it straight, so whatever straight means, and then you just move the top one. But they move at the same time. What are you talking? Fuck. Look, they meet. So why are you not holding? Wait. Girl is hungry now. So let's get another one, and we're gonna dip it in soya sauce. So now with sushi, maybe sushi is gonna be easier because it's bigger, or is that not gonna work? This gives me stress. Come on. Look, oh my god, I'm shaking though. I put at the plate. Look at that. I'm so proud. I just want to eat. I'm hungry. On my thing. Look at that. This is called cookie with Kitana. So now we take off, and then we dip it. Oh no! Please don't drop! Please don't drop! And then, Oh. Come on, man, guys. And then, but they cross when I want to take the noodle. Come here. Am I dumb? Oh, I'm tired. I need a nap. Oh. Oh no. I cannot use my other hand? Is that a challenge? No. No. Oh. Hey, what if I do a tricky trick? Oh! I've dropped one, but this is some. Who's gonna clean this? I've done. This is art at this point. No. Well, I shouldn't be happy yet because my pasta we're gonna start walking soon again. So then Why is it so shaky? Whoa, that was close. That I'm just professional at this now. Look at my hand. So, what am I doing? Oh, eating my. What happened? How did this come off? Oh, I'm so confused. I'm sure I put it on the top. I need to rewash it. I think I'm haunted. Oh, and then we hold that. And then we dip it. Dip it. Oh. I'm holding it, to be fair. I have a manly strength. Then you can't tell me nothing. On it, one more noodle, and then I feel like catching sushi is easier. Nom 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 nom. Come to papi. Should we do swirly again? Is it gonna end up on my head? Guys, this is beautiful. I'm so emotional now. We dip it in the soya sauce. What can you want from life when you have chopstick noodles and sushi? But I'm not even holding it properly. Why they cross? Like, you want to grab something in your life and then you grab it. There you go. I didn't know it was gonna. You're seeing nothing. Did? I nearly dropped it. Oops. Okay. I mean, I'm kind of getting it or not? Is this holding it? If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up or leave a comment or give me. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm watching you. Okay? And I'll see you guys in another one. Thank you for coming. Well, now I need to clean this mess. Cleaner? Hello?